Look at this 2018 Ford Expedition that was just traded here at Brighton Ford. Great family vehicle with seating for 7 and automatic 4x4. Well maintained and fully inspected by our factory trained technicians. Second row bucket seats, heavy duty trailer tow, dual panel moonroof, and more. This vehicle will not last long. Call us at 1-800-NEW for today !and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt, 4wd.and LT, br&gt, Shadow Black 2018 Ford Expedition Limited 4WD 10-speed automatic EcoBoost 3.5 liters V6 GTDi DOHC 24 volts Twin Turbocharged and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt. Brighton Ford used cars are priced well below the market value. Have confidence in knowing you in number 39, getting the best deal within 200 miles of our location. Our vehicles are competitively priced well below the market value to give you a no haggle buying experience. Although we do not certify our used cars, we do have the ability to do so. Brighton Ford is conveniently located off of Grand River Road in Brighton, Michigan. Brighton Ford is near the intersection of I-96 and US 23 in Brighton, Michigan. We have the largest selection of used trucks, used cars and used SUVs with over 200 pre-owned vehicles in stock. Brighton Ford serves all nearby cities including South Lyon, Howell, Fenton, New Hudson, Novi, Arbor, Whitmore Lake, Lansing, Detroit, Toledo, and Flint.